Good evening, my dear student. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. So today I have come with my new topic, chapter number 4, carbon and its compound, the class of 10th CBSE chemistry paper. So my dear student, this is the chapter number 4, carbon and its compound. The new topic is chain, branches and ring. What are the chain, branches and ring? We discussed today about the chain. So in the previous section, in the earlier section, we mentioned the carbon compounds methane, ethane and propane containing respectively 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms such as chains. These are called chains of carbon atom containing many more carbon atoms. So my dear student, this carbon contain many more carbon atoms in ethane, propane and butane containing respectively 1, 2 and 3 carbon atom. Such are called chain of carbon atom containing more carbon atom. The names and structure of these 6 carbon atoms are given in table. So my dear student, this is the few brief structures of carbon atoms. So let us understand the formula and structure of saturated compounds of carbon and hydrogen in a brief way, in the explanatory way. So my dear student, let us try to understand the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons, the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons of carbon and hydrogen. So this is the first topic I am going to write here. The topic is the same, but the explanation should be in a brief way, in a short way, but not in the very short. So my dear student, let us start the topic. Let us start the topic after the chains, rings and branches. So my dear student, let us start the topic about the chain, branches and ring, and these are the topics are given on the basis of the table, and I can describe here, I can write here according to the topic. Formula and structure of saturated compound. The new topic is after branches, chain and ring. Formula and structures of saturated and structures of saturated compounds of carbon and hydrogen. Compounds of carbon and hydrogen. So my dear student, as we discussed, there are 6 type of compounds of carbon or branches or chain structures in the different form. So the first you can write here the number of carbon atoms. The second table, row is name, and after that you write down the formula, and after that you draw the structure. So these are the 3 levels of classification. On the basis we can describe the different types of carbon atoms. Though the number of carbon atom is 1, then you can write here is the methane, and the formula is CH4, and as you can draw, the CH4 is like this. There is 4 hydrogen atoms are branched in carbon atom. These are the saturated compound. The number of carbon atom is 2, that is the ethane. These are the saturated hydrocarbons, C2H6. You can just draw the structure like this. There are 6 hydrogen combining with the 2 carbon atoms. The next one is the number of carbon atom is 3. This is the propane. And the general formula, they are going to just take CnH2n plus 2. So my dear student, this is the propane, C3H8. And you can write here the 3 carbon atom are branched in chain, and the branch chain and the hydrogen are combining with, attached with this carbon atom. 8 hydrogen atom is combining with the C3H8. Number 4, number of carbon atom, that is the butane. C4H10. You can write the structure here, C4H10. There is 4 carbon atom in a branch chain, and there is the 10 hydrogen atoms are attached with it. So there is the 10 carbon hydrogen atoms and you can count the number here also. These are the things. And after that you can write here the 5. The number of carbon atom is 5, that is the pentane. Pentane. So these are the C5H12. So my dear students, the structure is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And this is when the carbon hydrogen atoms are attached with 12 hydrogen atoms. It is attached with carbon atoms. So my dear student, this is the structure of pentane. After that, the number of carbon atom is 6. These are the hexane. And lastly, the number of 10, that is the decane. So you can write here C6H14, and the structure is like this: C6H14. So my dear student, this is the structure of C6H14. There is 14 hydrogen atoms are attached with the 6 carbon atoms. This is the C6H14. So my dear student, these are the 6 carbon atoms attached with this. So these are the number of carbon atoms of formula and structure of saturated compounds of carbon and hydrogen. That is, the number of carbon atom is 1. This is the name methane, and the formula is CH4. That is, the 4 carbon atom is attached with the 1 carbon atom of hydrogen. 4 carbon atom attached with 1 carbon atom. Number 2, ethane. C2H6. There is 2 carbon atom attached, 6 hydrogen atoms. And this is the 3 propane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And this 3 carbon atom attached, you can, if you write there 6, 3, H, 2 into 3 plus 2, that is the C3H8. This is the formula, you design the formula. Like this. After that, CH4, CnH2n plus 2, that C carbon atom is C, and the number of hydrogen is H2n plus 2, that is the CH4. That way you can just make the formula. The formula is there: CnH2n, H2n plus 2. So there is 1 carbon atom, C1H2 into 1 plus 2, that is the CH4. After that you can write here CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n plus 2, that is the C is 2. So you can write here C2H2 into 2 plus 2, that is C2H6. After that you can know that C3H8. The number of carbon atom is 3. H is equal to 2 into 3 plus 2 is equal to C3H8. This type of design you can make it. There are 3 carbon atom attached, 8 type of hydrogen atoms. 8 type of hydrogen atom. After that, the number of carbon atom is 4. So the number of carbon atom is 4H. 2 into 4 plus 2 is equal to C4H10. There is 4 carbon atoms attached, 10 hydrogen atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, you see here that there is the number of carbon atom is 5. Then you can write here C5H2 into 5 plus 2, that is the C5H12. So you can just see here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and there are 12 hydrogen atoms are attached in 5 carbon atoms. After that, last one is the hexane. The number of carbon atom is 6, C6H14. You can just write the formula CnH2n plus 2. H2n is equal to C6H2 into 6 plus 2, that is the C6H14. So these are the things. The 14 hydrogen atoms is attached with the 6 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12 and 13 and 14. So my dear student, this is clear about the concept, the formula and the structure of saturated compounds of carbon and hydrogen. This is the topic we are reading. Chain, branches and rings. Chain, branches and rings. So thank you for watching my video. Don't skip the video and go throughout the whole video. This is the topic we are discussing. So my dear student, thank you for watching my video. This is Suraj, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Suraj Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Thank you for watching the video of chain, branches and ring, and that is the formula and the structure of saturated compound of carbon and hydrogen. On the basis of earlier section, we mentioned the carbon compounds methane, ethane and propane containing respectively 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms, and 1, 3 and 2 carbon atoms such are known as chain of carbon atoms can contain many more carbon atoms, and the names and structure of 6 of these are mentioned on the table, and these are the formulas and structures of saturated compounds of carbon and hydrogen. So my dear student, give more, subscribe more and more, and that can each and every student can learn the chemistry in a simple and scientific way, and give more views, likes and share to those students who are very needful and aspirant of CBSE 2026 board examining. Thank you for watching my videos and thank you for watching my short. Give more views and I think so million of views. Thank you for watching. Good night all of you.